Good morning, students. I hope you all are happy and healthy and studying well. Today we are going to recite a poem from your English Reader book. The name of the poem is Palanquin Bearers and it is written by Sarojini Naidu. So let's hear a brief introduction about Sarojini Naidu. Sarojini Naidu was an Indian political activist and poet. She was an important figure in India's fight for independence. She was also known as Nightingale of India. This name was given to her by Mahatma Gandhi. She was called Bharat Kokila by Rabindranath Tagore. She has written many children's poems and they all are very melodious and fun. So children, the name of our poem is Palanquin Bearers. So first understand what is a palanquin. A palanquin is a box-like structure which is covered and it is basically a carrier. It is usually meant for one passenger. It is generally used for carrying the bride to her husband's house after marriage. You can see this palanquin in some older movies or songs. And children, who are palanquin bearers? A palanquin is carried by even number of men called bearers on their shoulders by means of a pole. Generally, these bearers are strong-built men. Let's understand the meaning of the words which are being used in this poem. Bear meaning carry. Sways means to move slowly from side to side. Skims means to move quickly over or past something. Foam means a mass of small air bubbles. Gaily meaning happily. Glide means to move smoothly. Springs means jumps. Beam meaning a line of light. Brow meaning the top part of a hill. Tide means wave. So let's start the poem Palanquin Bearers. Before you read, you must have observed the custom of carrying the bride in a palanquin after the wedding, through which she is taken to her new house. A palanquin is covered box-type carrier usually meant for one passenger. It is carried by an even number of men called bearers on their shoulders by means of a pole. Children, let's recite the poem and understand the meaning. Lightly or lightly we bear her along. She sways like a flower in the wind of our song. She skims like a bird on the foam of a stream. She floats like a laugh from the lips of a dream. So children, this poem is written by Sarojini Naidu and is so beautifully woven around the custom of carrying a bride by palanquin bearers. They are so happy in carrying the bride to her husband's house that on the way they are singing with joy and they are making their dull task into a joyful one. The palanquin bearers carry the newlywed bride very gently and are moving softly. As they are carrying the bride to her husband's house, they are singing along and don't feel it as a burden. They tell that the bride is so light to carry, and it feels like that a flower is moving softly in the wind. As you can see in this picture, that the flowers are moving in the wind. Same way, the palanquin bearers feels that the bride is so delicate and soft that it is swaying in the wind with the palanquin. In the next line, the movement of the bride is compared to a bird that moves quickly on the foaming froth of a river. The bride is so delicate to carry that it is compared to the dreamy smile from the lips of a person who dreams. So children, let's recite the next lines. Gaily, oh gaily, we glide and we sing, we bear her along like a pearl on a string. So in these lines, the palanquin bearers say that they are happy to carry the bride in the palanquin, and they are singing proudly and saying that we are carrying the bride in the palanquin, just as some rich woman would wear a pearl necklace around her neck and carry. Here the bride is compared to a pearl necklace. As you can see it in the picture, a necklace is shown. Softly, oh softly, we bear her along. She hangs like a star in the dew of our song. She springs like a beam on the brow of the tide. She falls like a tear from the eyes of a bride. The palanquin bearers further describe the bride, saying that they carry her softly on their shoulders. Here, the bride is compared to a shining star that is reflected in the soft dew drops. As you can see in the first picture, the star is shining bright. She is so brightly dressed that she looks like a shining beam of light that is reflected from the waves. As the bride is leaving her parents and going to her husband's house, she is having mixed feelings. So the poetess has compared her to a gentle drop of a tear that falls from her eyes as she is leaving her loved ones behind to start a new life. Lightly, oh lightly, we glide and we sing, we bear her along like a pearl on a string. Now the palanquin bearers are saying that we are not feeling that the bride is a burden on us, and they feel that she is very delicate and light, and they are just happily singing and moving ahead. And they are saying and comparing the bride to the pearl necklace, as precious as a jewelry. So I hope children, you all have liked the poem and enjoyed it.